Hello friends, I'm Crystal and today we will be making chocolate chip cookies. I think we can all agree that chocolate chip cookies are classic. They're never going to get old, although there are a lot of variations of them. And the version that we'll be making today have walnuts and oatmeal in it because healthier is better. First we need to beat a cup of softened butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of packed brown sugar together. Then we add in 2 eggs, 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. In a separate bowl, mix together 2 plus 1/4 cup of flour, half a cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. Then we add the dry mixture into the wet ingredients while mixing them together on low speed until they are barely combined. Do not overmix. Afterwards, chop up 1 1/2 cups of walnuts. Fold the walnuts as well as 2 cups of dark chocolate chips into the mixture. Then put some parchment paper onto the sheet pan and scoop the cookie dough onto it. Flatten the cookies a bit. At first I used my hands, then I decided to use some spoons, but the dough kept on sticking to the spoons, so I went back to using my hands. No worries, I washed my hands with soap so they should be clean. 300 degrees Fahrenheit should be enough to kill germs anyways. When you're done shaping your cookies, bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 minutes. While we are making these cookies, I want to mention that I just finished reading a series called The Rule of 3 and I really enjoyed it. It is basically about the chaos that occurs when computers no longer work. Since people are addicted to technology and panic easily, they basically start killing each other over food. Well, if that ever happens in real life, I'll just stay at home and eat chocolate chip cookies. Guys, it is so good. Now, when I was younger, I did not like chocolate at all. The only candies I liked were the colored ones like Skittles, gummies. But now I only like eating chocolate. It has to be dark chocolate though. Milk chocolate and white chocolate, they're too sweet. And I don't even think white chocolate is actually chocolate. My bio teacher says that white chocolate is an abomination, and I wholeheartedly agree. I don't think there's a tiny bit of cocoa in there. I'm actually making these for my swim friends, so I gotta package them now. Oh no. The cookies are too big for the bag. Oh my.
Nibble around the edges.
Oh my. Gotta use these Christmas bags instead. That's me right there. Say hi. How does it taste, Yancy? Chocolate chip is really good. And that is it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!